Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the tidbits of knowledge, information, and wisdom that come up during workshops and courses. I hope you enjoy.
And I'm so glad that you asked the question, Celine, truly. So I'm sure that everyone's thought about it. You know, how can I do this better? I don't feel like I'm doing this well enough. What could I change to do it better? And maybe for some of you it is having one glass of wine or a drink to let that anxiety flow away, or whatever your relationship is with it, or a toke, or whatever. What I would say though, and I'm guilty of this, I've done it many times at parties, those floodgates open, and the next thing I know, I'm in the corner with somebody doing a full-on counseling session with them because I've allowed my knowing to come through for them, or I'm suddenly doing Reiki on somebody in the kitchen, and it's valid. I just don't want to be doing my work when I'm in that kind of environment. I want to be having fun and enjoying myself.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So yeah, you'll hear from a lot of different people, a lot of different opinions on the matter. So my personal opinion is I drink my wine and I eat my meat and I eat healthy and I drink a lot of water when I do this work. And I seem to be pretty good at it. I seem to be pretty efficient at it. And I have tried. I've wondered, should I go vegetarian? Would I be a clearer channel if I went vegetarian? And it didn't seem to make a great deal of difference. So again, this is where your expectations and your beliefs are so powerful. I believe that I'm fine the way I am, the way I'm living my life, to be a effective and in some cases very powerful channel. So that's how I choose to show up in the world. So you find your own path, you find your own way with it. And as I say, for me, the wine is the indication that my work is done for the day. I'm done for the day. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.